Welcome to Las Vegas, and today we are staying at this golden hotel Mandalay Bay. It's our first time here, and let's check what we can have here in this basic room. Let's start. We are staying at the premier one king bedroom. It costs $200 per night. Worth it? Let's check. So, this is the studio room, approximately 400 square feet, and here we have pretty cool design. And look at this art, mural on the wall. So here we have cool sitting area next to the window with runway view to international airport. And here we have comfy desk for work, and of course we have king bed. And this is my lovely guy, coffee maker. Thank you, Mandalay Bay. You saved my life. And this is your private closet. Oh no, it's a bathroom! And look at this! This huge bathroom with bathtub, shower, separate restroom, and a lot of space here with, again, art.
Mandalay Bay opened 22 years ago as a luxury resort and casino. It's a 5-star hotel and it has a couple towers. So it has Delano and it has the Mandalay Bay Tower, and they're managed by MGM Grand. What's interesting that they have a 4-season hotel inside the Mandalay Bay, and it's just a couple floors, like 5 floors in this Mandalay Bay Tower. That's interesting. And that's a completely separate hotel managed by 4 Seasons. Mandalay Bay is located on the strip, but it's so far away from everything that you have in the central part that when staying here in Mandalay Bay, just plan to stay here and have fun here, or you have to drive or take an Uber to all that we have at the very central part like Bellagio.
And also here you have beautiful view to runway. You can wake up and see like planes take off and landing to Las Vegas, and people have dreamed to win a lot of money here. So this is so energy to see these planes.
So Mandalay Bay is famous for its common grounds and pools. So let's go and check it out.
So this hotel is really quiet right now. I don't know why, but I don't see a lot of people at this time. So the bullet parking in Mandalay Bay is like a giant, it's huge.
And actually what's pretty cool, the Mandalay Bay itself is very far on the street, but we just realized that it's super close to the stadium, the new Allegiant, probably it's Allegiant, the new Allegiant Stadium. So if you're coming for anything that's going on there, it's super convenient.
Yep. You are lost?
No, we're just trying to see those, I'm not sure what kind of like creatures out there outside, but we have no idea how to get them.
The common grounds here is nothing special, just we have some outside with waterfall, some park, and that's it. Inside just like a lot of restaurants. But the most important part here is a casino, so that's why you came to Vegas. And now let's check the dusty places. Agent Switch from CBI here. It's my job. Clean. Dirty coffee maker. No one can hide this fused coffee from me. Here is clean. On the dirty coffee machine, I should find something else here. Let's check this headboard. Clean. This guy charges you automatically. Bad guy. I should check this nightstand. Clean. I should check this shower place. I hate water. I hate to take a shower. It's not good for my body and my smell. The shower is clean. And now let's check the yellow thing. Clean. It's a good glass for champagne. I need to drink. CBI is not drinking. My work is hard, but I have to do to save this world. I forgot everything. I gotta go now. And you're doing a great job. Kiss for you. Mwah. Yeah, look, the gym is empty. All yours. Free water. So the gym in Mandalay Bay is like pretty big, and I love it because like no people are all here right now because like it's probably lunchtime, but we have second gym here. It works 24 hours, so but it's only cardio, and this gym works from 9 to 5 p.m. So guys, overall it's a good stay in Mandalay Bay. Here we have like a little bit simple common ground, but it's good. They have a lot of slot machine, so if you are coming to Vegas for gambling or conference, this is a perfect place. And also if you have kids, this is the best option because like you have here a lot of pools, especially this one with sand beach. It's super cool. I just saw a beach like this in Hard Rock Hotel. It's a like not it's a Virgin hotel. And also they have the shark reef aquarium.
But the internet here is non-existent. Wi-Fi connection was the worst we've ever had anywhere in the world, even in like jungles of Cambodia, because this one could not connect to my laptop or even like Gmail on our phone, which was a disaster. So we have a premium internet option just in case. And besides that, we didn't like the tinted windows. They were too dark. So after the sunset, it's just like pinch dark, and during the day it's also pretty dark at the room.
So guys, subscribe to our channel and see you next video.